students want to know as to when we are going to come up with the application forms for JEE as well as NEET. The JEE application form should be coming very shortly. The exams, we are yet to decide the dates, but since this time the entire session is going late, the exams will not happen in January as they were planned earlier, as they were done in the last year. They will be sometime in February or so. We will be deciding the dates very shortly, and we'll be letting all of you know. Similarly, in case of NEET also, we'll be deciding the date about the NEET very shortly, and we'll be informing. But what CBSE has said that for their evaluation purposes, for their board exam, they have deleted certain portions are not going to come. As far as we are concerned, because these exams are conducted for all the boards. They are not only for the CBSE, they are for all the boards across the country. So we have not deleted any syllabus. The syllabus as it was for the last time, it's going to be there. And if you see very carefully, the syllabus is generally different from what is there in the board examination. And also we have this understanding that mostly students, when they prepare for these exams, they prepare at least 2 years in advance, that when they enter the grade 11, since then they start preparing for these exams. So we are sure that grade 11 they have covered 100%, and grade 12 also, since they are aware that these are examinations which also see their preparations for doing well in the engineering. If you are eventually going to appear in the participate in the engineering courses in first semester or second semester, you would need to know these concepts which have been deleted by the CBSE for their evaluation purposes. So therefore, there is no reduction in the syllabus as far as the NTS exams are concerned.